Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair this SRS-XE300 speaker of Sony to any Apple MacBook. So first of all, you will need to power on your speaker by tapping on this power button once. Next, you have to click on this Bluetooth button to activate the pairing mode. Right now, put it close to your MacBook and simply go to the system settings. You have to open the Bluetooth settings, turn it on with this switcher, and then select SRS-XE300 speaker. So click connect, and then go to the sound settings and just be sure that it's switched to the output device for our SRS speaker. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.